Why does your scanner show the P2646 engine code? What does it mean? P2646 is a diagnostic trouble code in rocker arm actuator system performance stuck off. This error code indicates an issue with the A rocker arm actuator system on bank 1, specifically that it's either experiencing performance problems or is stuck in the off position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low/dirty oil. Oil pressure issues. VTEC system components. Electrical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Accord, Civic, CRZ, Element, and Fit. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.